The best holiday of my life. English B1, Jenny Paula Hernandez Bonilla. Hello everyone, how are you doing? Well, I hope you are good. I am going to tell you about the best holidays that I had in my life. My best holidays were in Cartagena, Bolívar 10 years ago. I flew for the first time by plane, and although I got nervous at the first, both I could overcome the fear and I lived a different experience. The trip was made on the occasion of my 15 years, and I was about to graduate from my high school. The trip lasted 4 days and 3 nights. During the trip, I did very fun activities. I met the sea. I ate exotic marine recipes like rice with chippy chippy, and I rode a jet ski. I went to the big clock tower, which is one of the characteristic places of the city. During my stay, I stayed in the Cartagena Premium Hotel that had a spectacular ocean view and a big pool. The weather was radiant, the sun was shining, and there was not a cloud in sight. The last day, I didn't want to go back to my house, and it took me a bit to say goodbye to that tropical beauty. Cartagena is a wonderful and magical place that everyone must know before they die. Thank you everyone. Blessings for all.